Let's make bread and butter pudding. These are the ingredients that you need. First, toast the slices and then halve them or cut them into triangles. In a separate dish, add sugar, cinnamon powder, and orange zest, and then mix it well with the sultanas or mixed fruit. And set aside. In a baking dish, add the bread slices at the bottom, buttered side up, then add the sultana mix, then add another layer of breads, then sultanas until all the bread slices have been used. Make sure you put the last bread layer buttered side down. Now in a jug, add milk, then custard powder, sugar, and mix well. You can add some salt if desired. Now pour the custard mixture on top of the bread. Sprinkle with nutmeg if desired and the remaining sugar and leave to stand for 30 minutes. Now preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Cover the pudding with foil and bake it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Take the foil out after 25 minutes and leave the pudding uncovered. Bake until the custard has set and the top is golden brown. Serve with custard or cream. Enjoy.